Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, you need to tap on Devices Settings. Now click on Connected Devices over here and tap on Pair New Device. After that, you need to click on one of the available ones that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. If you want to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this little gear icon next to chosen device and tap on Forget. Then you need to choose Forget Device in this pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, you need to click on Pair New Device, click on it over here, and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!